Okay, the sentence for today, the topic for today is transformation of sentences. Do we understand what is transformation of sentences? So, the transformation of sentences is about changing the form without altering its meaning. So, changing a sentence from interrogative to exclamatory or in any other way, right? So, this is transformation. For example, transform an exclamatory sentence into an assertive sentence or the vice versa. So we can also transform simple sentences into complex or compound sentences. So तीन तरह के transformations होते हैं. There are three types of transformation of sentences. These are simple, complex and compound sentences. What is a simple sentence? When in a sentence that has one independent clause, it is called simple sentence. So एक ही independent clause होती है. He confessed his illegal act. Then what is a complex sentence? When in a sentence that has one clause and one or more subordinate clauses, it is a complex sentence. He confessed that he was guilty of this illegal act. Then there is compound sentence. Now, what is a compound sentence? When in a sentence there has been more than one clause, it is a compound sentence. I went to watch a movie named Justice League, but the movie was already houseful. So these are compound kind of sentences, right? Now, there are certain rules for transforming. So transforming simple sentences into complex. So simple ko complex mein. Converting the simple sentences into complex sentences can be done easily. This can be done by expanding a word or a phrase into a clause. So if you remember, we have done phrases. We suggested that one word or a phrase or a clause does not have, may not have its meaning, except in for independent clauses. So moreover, we can do the same thing when we want to change the complex sentence into simple sentence. This can be done by eliminating a clause into a word or a phrase. So few examples are given to understand the concept of conventional rules for transforming simple to complex. What is rule 1? Rule 1 states that a present participle in a simple sentence, to convert it into complex sentence by adding since, as, when at the first half of the sentence. Simple sentence, closing the door, I went back to school. Complex sentence, when I closed the door, I went back to school. Being a verb, with ing in a simple sentence, to convert it into a complex sentence by adding as, when, since at the first half of the sentence. So simple sentence, after winning a beauty contest she cried. Complex sentence, as she won the beauty contest she cried. Next rule, TOO and TO2 in a simple sentence, to convert into a complex sentence by adding so or that. So negative sense. So he is too weak to carry the box. So too weak to carry the box, right? Complex would be he is so weak that he cannot carry the box. So ke saath that and then negative, not. The next rule, to in the simple sentence, to convert into a complex sentence by adding so that in the sentence. Simple sentence states we eat to live, हम खाने के लिए जिंदा रहते हैं. Complex sentence, we eat so that we can live. We eat so that we can live. In the simple sentence, in spite of, despite, to convert into complex sentence by adding though, although in the sentence. In spite of being rich, she is hardworking. So this is a simple sentence. In spite of or despite. We are changing it to though. Though she is rich, she is hardworking. Next rule, because of. किसी भी सिंपल सेंटेंस में इफ देर इज अ वर्ड वी हैव यूज्ड बिकॉज ऑफ, उसको कॉम्प्लेक्स में हम कैसे यूज करेंगे? बाय एडिंग सिंस एट द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द सेंटेंस. So because of his illness, he could not join the meeting. Since he was ill, he could not join the meeting. Next rule, subject, verb, object, present participle. Type of simple sentence to convert it to the complex sentence by subject plus verb plus object plus relative pronoun of the object plus be verb according to relative pronoun and tense plus rest of the sentence. Simple sentence. I saw a bird flying. Complex sentence. I saw a bird which was flying. So subject, verb, object plus relative pronoun of the object plus be verb according to relative pronoun and tense plus the other sentence. Next, in the simple sentence, starts with without by adding if in case is converted into complex sentence. Simple sentence. What does it state? Without adding the sugar, the dish will taste bad. Now, what does the complex sentence says? If you do not add sugar, the dish will taste bad. Next rule. In the simple sentence, at the time will be converted into when in the complex sentence. So simple sentence. She woke up at the time of load shedding. She woke up at the time of load shedding. What does the complex sentence states? She woke up when it was load shedding. So simple mein when we have used at the time, so we have converted into when. Next rule. In the simple sentence, adjective will be converted into this, that, which. Adjective will be converted to that, which in the complex sentence. So simple sentence. It was a blue shirt. It was a shirt which was blue. So adjective को which के साथ हमने use किया. For example, there is a transformation of an exclamatory sentence into an assertive sentence. How can we use this? Exclamations are construed with how and what. So ये दो words होते हैं जिनके साथ हम exclamations को हमेशा construe करते हैं, देखते हैं. So how के साथ हम क्या करेंगे? Mainly two structures are used. How plus adjective or adverb plus subject plus verb. How clever he is. The word order. The adjective or the adverb goes before the subject and the verbs goes after the subject. How intelligent you are. This is an exclamatory. How nice it is. Again exclamatory. How cold it is. Exclamatory. So we are changing it to how subject verb. How he has changed. How you have grown, right? So we have converted them into assertives. Exclamations with what? We make exclamations with what when the adjective is followed by a noun. Now, We have to note that this structure is used even when there is no adjective. Several structures are possible. What? An plus adjective plus singular countable noun. What a lovely girl. What a nice surprise. What a rude guy. What a wonderful sight. What? An plus singular countable noun. What a surprise. What a tragedy. What plus adjective plus plural uncountable nouns. So, adjective and plural uncountable. What terrible weather. What idiots. You cannot count them. So, that is why they are called as uncountable. So, how are you converting from exclamatory into assertives? The transformation means changing its form without altering its sense. What a wonderful opportunity. This is an exclamatory sentence. Assertive, simple, normal sentence क्या कहता है? It is a wonderful opportunity. It's not exclamatory. Oh, that I were young again. So that's an exclamatory. I wish I were young again. How kind of you to help him like that? Exclamatory. It is very kind of you to help him like that. How noble he is. This is an exclamatory. He is truly noble. Assertive. What a great pleasure it is. Exclamatory. This is indeed a great pleasure. So that's an assertive sentence.